Is 0% financing a good idea when you're buying a tractor? Well, it all depends on what the financing deal is that the manufacturing is offering. First of all, be aware of the fact that depending on what your credit rating is, you may or may not even be eligible to get the 0% financing. Second of all, the manufacturer may be offering low percentage rate loans, and if you can get a good rate, it may pay in the long run to finance the tractor for a shorter period of time, because a lot of these 0% financing deals will not allow you to make a down payment. Think about that. 84 months later, you're still going to be paying on your tractor. Is that what you want to do? I don't think so. The smart way to look at this thing, I think, is before you buy your tractor, is to consider what kind of payment that you want to make, or if you want to pay cash if you happen to be in that kind of position. And then look at what type of deals are available from different manufacturers and see if any of them match up with a tractor that meets the requirements that you have. I would suggest that you don't finance a tractor for more than 4 years, and that you put down at least 20% of the loan amount, including the sales tax and any other charges that come above and beyond the price of the tractor. The reason I say that is if you get to a tractor deal that locks you in for too long a period of time, then you're going to have trouble if you need to trade that tractor in a short period of time, because you may put yourself into a negative equity position. What's more, if you were to lose your job or something like that and you had to sell your tractor, you should be able to sell it without putting yourself into a negative equity position. Another thing that you should do when you're buying a tractor is to separate the financing of the tractor from the negotiation of the tractor. First of all, you want to be able to negotiate with the dealer for the lowest price that you possibly can. Then take advantage of the 0% financing or low financing rates that may be available at that point in time. And don't forget to check with your credit union ahead of time to see what their rates are, because they may be better than what's being offered by the manufacturer. The fact that you got a 0% loan will be long forgotten once you have to make your 80th payment on your tractor.